average instruction execution time, number of instruction executed per unit of the time, and cache memory. So these are the important topic that you have to again take command on. DBMS is a closed subject, and always you can expect one question from the normalization. Second question is related will be context free grammar. So loops, there are questions from the loops, pointer and function. Okay, my pick here in this case is recursion, is the one of the topic. Average question asked from the data structure. Hello friends, welcome all of you to this session where we are discussing GATE 2026 Computer Science High-Weightage subject. Okay, see, understand this is one of the very important thing about the GATE examination. GATE examination is a repetitive pattern oriented examination. Okay, what is the meaning of the statement? That when we talk about the GATE examination, the patterns of the questions getting repeated. Question will not repeat. Okay, question will not be repeated, but the concept that has already been explored in the previous years papers or previous year questions, that is always getting repeated. So believe me that in this you will find that they are not going to explore anything absolutely new in the examination. It's a very limited set of you say concept, and those concepts are explored again and again in a different way. And that is your intelligence, your aptitude, whether you are able to identify that this particular question belongs to this particular concept. So that easy this GATE examination is. You don't need to solve the question which is really going to test your high level analytical skill. Same pattern question will be asked, and then you can definitely, if you are having good command on this, you can answer. So starting on that particular topic, that high weightage subject to focus in the final week. The final week, what you can do here in this cases, let's one by one explore the subject. Before I say something about the subject, I also give you the analysis of the year paper, where in like here you can see that instruction, IEEE, pipeline and cache memory. So this comprise here in this case is total number of 4 questions are asked here from set 1, and 5 question is from the set 2. Okay, when you start with your journey of COA, you face a lot of hurdles in this cases. If you are going for the final week preparation, my pick is IEEE 754 floating point convention. That is my pick number 1. My second pick is pipelining. Pipelining is a very basic concept where we speed up the average instruction execution time, number of instruction executed per unit of the time, and cache memory. 3 topics if you cover, it is bound to come the question from this particular topic in case of COA. When it comes to the operating system, you can see that in the previous 2 year 2025, there are entire analysis is present, but I'm more focusing on this the recent paper, last year paper, or maybe before that here. So process scheduling, synchronization, file management, memory management. Here in this case, if you want to focus on this part, see, last time if you have just started, if you have already done the operating system, then the high weightage topic, the first topic becomes everything about memory. Okay, everything about memory, that is very important here. Then it will be a normal memory management, then virtual memory, demand paging concept, everything about the memory, the TLB concept, everything. So that is one of my pick, that in this there will be one question from the memory management. There will be definitely single question from process scheduling. Process scheduling is one of the topics where questions are easier based on the turnaround time, completion time. So that, and there are different scheduling algorithms. And my third pick will be synchronization. Okay, third pick will be synchronization and plus deadlock also. Okay, so 3 topics: memory management and scheduling, and in this case is process synchronization plus deadlock, the banker's algorithm. So these are the important topic that you have to again take command on. Your ability to solve question from this topic will definitely earn you marks in these 2 subjects. These are the 2 pick for COA and operating system. Moving ahead, algorithms, and you can see the recurrence relation questions are there. Last year question was there, before that question was there. Sorting and searching, The quick sort and the merge sort is one of the favorite topic. Other sorts are also there, but their favorite is a quick sort and merge sort. The time complexity part and the graph part. Okay. Now, my pick here in this case is when you're going for the final examination, my pick will be, I will first prefer the complexity of a programming language, the complexity, the algorithmic complexity of iterative as well as your recursive program and the master method. My first pick that I'm expecting a question this year from the complexity part, where the recursive one, the master method, and the iterative one, the way we convert that the time complexity into a recurrence equations. That is first. My second pick will be for the topic which is belongs to the greedy method. Okay, my first pick is definitely time complexity. My second pick will be the greedy method, and in greedy method also I'll be more interested in MST problem and Dijkstra problem. Okay. This is a very high weightage topic from me. Okay, so greedy MST. So my first pick will remain here as complexity. The second pick here in this case is greedy method, where we have MST and Dijkstra. Hoffman is also very popular in terms of question creation. The next pick I will do here, I'll go here in this case is graph. Okay, graph is the is one which I am going to pick for the different type of BFS and DFS. We have seen very beautiful question in past years from the graph traversal, and this year also we can expect that there will be some good question asked from this particular topic. So my three I guess it 4 topics: complexity, greedy, graph. Okay, that is and anything else. Okay, and then sorting. Okay, so I am picking 4 topics. Revise them and remember them most importantly. DBMS is a closed subject, and always you can expect one question from the normalization, one question definitely from here normalization, one question from SQL and linear algebra. So linear algebra and SQL, transaction and concurrency, generally they ask question from transaction only, but it may be possible they will ask question from concurrency as well, but I'll pick transaction. So my first preference will be normalization, second will be SQL and relational algebra. Tuple calculus, if you have already done tuple calculus, go ahead and revise them, but I believe that is not the case, then stick with relational algebra and SQL. My third pick will be in this case is indexing, indexing over transaction. Okay, indexing over transaction. So if you want the first 3 topic, I believe that there will be question on normalization. I believe that SQL and relational algebra. And my third pick will remain indexing over normalization. The tree structure, the way the B and B plus tree creates the index here in this. Okay, so these are the 3 topics that I'll prefer for this, and after that you want to go, then go for the transaction part. So that is the idea of the DBMS, where question can be asked in this. See, whatever the hugeness of the syllabus is there, whatever topic I'm mentioning in this session, it is 90% sure that whatever topic I mentioned, they are going to cover 70% of your question in the coming 2026 computer science paper. That much impact of the repetitiveness or pattern oriented this examination is. The next topic here in this case is discrete maths and TOC. Okay, now here in discrete mathematics, I will go here in this case is the first, my preference will be proposition logic. That is the first topic that you must have command on. My second topic will be graph theory. Okay, my second topic will be graph theory. My third topic will be set relation and function. Okay, the first topic that I am mentioning here in case of discrete math, this is the analysis of the previous year paper: group theory, graph theory, set relation and proposition and predicate logic. So almost same thing that I'm saying. So by my first three topic that I believe that question will be there is from the proposition logic and the predicate logic, first order logic. The second topic I'll say here in this case is graph theory. There will be a question from the graph theory. And the third topic I'll pick here in this case is set relation and function. And then after that, the fourth topic will be my algebraic structure that covers the group part. Okay, monoid, rings, groups, that algebraic structures here in that case. Okay, so that is my pick for the discrete mathematics. Though mathematics is having 13 marks, but the problem is that the 13 marks is divided into EM and DM. Okay, so if you are weak in DM, you can focus on EM part as well. Okay, you can focus on the EM part as well. Now, next comes your TOC, theory of computation, and that is consist of finite automata. That is basically if you complete, and finite automata is not a simple straightforward topic. It has a really big syllabus to cover. Means you start with construction, then starts here in this case is different type, then you come to NFA, then you come to NFA with epsilon move, then you come to NFA to DFA, NFA epsilon move to DFA, then you come to the regular expression, then you learn regular expression to regular grammar, then you also learn regular expression to DFA, then you comes here and again to talk about NFA to DFA with output, that Millet and Moore machine, then you learn the property of the regular and then you exit. Okay, so it's a huge syllabus for the finite automata. Finite automata is consist of a very big syllabus. Okay, now you have to, first question is that I am picking here in this case is that is finite automata. Second question is related will be context free grammar. Okay, so first question finite automata, try to complete each and every part. If you are not comfortable with NFA, DFA, NFA and NFA with epsilon transition, you can leave that part. Okay, you can leave that particular part. My third pick will be in this case is undecidable and decidable property. Okay, though this topic like here you can get a regular expression question, you can get CFG or PDA question, and one question is from the decidability and undecidability property. And you never know that maybe there are more questions from the topic which is theory of computation. Okay, more question from the topic that is theory of computation in that case. So that is my pick. Read regular, the finite automata and the regular language, cover PD and context free, and then undecided. You have covered everything. Syllabus is very small, and I don't see any reason of not covering the TOC, because one part is FA, finite state machine, another part is PDA, and another part is Turing machine. So only 3 parts are there in the TOC, and that covers the entire that cover the things entirely. Huh? So I have no, like here only 3 columns are there in that case. Huh? But it doesn't mean that syllabus is small. Okay, that doesn't mean TOC is having a small syllabus. It is also having a very large syllabus in this. Great. Next comes compiler design and digital logic. Now first you understand compiler and digital is a low weightage subject. 3 question and 3 question, 3 marks and 3 marks, total 6 marks, maximum 8 marks. Okay, together. Okay, together. So compiler and digital together they will get here in this case is 8 marks. So low weightage subjects are there. Now what you do? Parser must be prepared and SDT, syntax directed translation, must be prepared. Okay, so in that case my first pick is lexical. You want to drop, you can drop. In 2000 I guess there was one question previously about the longest common prefix question in compiler design, but still my 2 pick will be in this case will be parser and the syntax directed translation. Okay, so I'll say that this is the high weightage topic. Question will be there from parser or syntax directed translation. Always there is. Okay, digital logic you talk about, number system is important. Okay, and the second topic you try to cover here in this case is the Boolean algebra. Okay, this is my 2 pick. What about combination and sequential? If you have done, fine, but I have seen rarely a sequential question coming from in recent year. In recent year, sequential has been kind of been ignored actually from the syllabus. Did it make it more important? See, if you have already done this thing, then fine, it is okay. But the only thing is that in recent years, they have not asked any question from the like counter question or flip flop question. What sometimes they also ask that some transformation, no, the RS to JK, JK to T, something like that also they ask. But recent year I haven't seen. So my pick will be Boolean algebra and number system. If possible, cover the combination circuit as well. Sequential is according to the trend not important right now. According to the trend, it is not important. Now, the next here in this case is the C programming and this C programming and the data structure. So loops, there are questions from the loops, pointer and function. Okay, my pick here in this case is recursion, is the one of the topic that they ask. That is belongs to the function only. Function consists of two more topics. One is recursion and second is variable, static variable. Okay, so static variable and recursion. That is the two topic we must have to include in the function. My second pick will be pointer. Okay, pointer include array as well. Okay, pointer includes everything, pointer to a structure, pointer to a string, pointer to a array, everything, and pointer and array as well. So two topics you must be very much prepared with. See, loops and operators are basically they are in the side role, means even I am asking a question from the function, I can still ask, I can create a loop. If I am asking a question related with let's say pointer, I can put a loop and operator in that. So two topics are very important, function and pointer. Okay, and that is the high chance that question will be there from in C programming from that. Last year there was a question from the string, the loop was given and plus operator was given. Okay, so you cannot concentrate a particular thing that will be asked, but yes, they can ask question from function, recursion, static variable and pointer. Data structure, my pick will be right now. When you say when you look at the entire paper, these are very small subject. Data structure is a very small subject. Okay, except array, stack queue, linked list, tree, binary tree, BST, binary search tree, and the last one is your hashing. Okay, so if you look at the syllabus, this syllabus is very small, very small. And if you take the paper entirely from set 1 and set 2, okay, you take the paper from both the paper and combine, then there is a question from every topic. Yes, it is coverage. One question can be from the stack and queue, one question can be from the linked list, one question can be from the tree, another question can be from hashing. Okay, but 2026 is conducted by IIT Guwahati. And I believe that when I have seen the paper of last 2010 and 2018, what I found is that there is a more stress on data structure, and the average number, average question asked from the data structure is more than the other years. Okay, other year the data structure questions are more, so around 12 marks question, around 12% question. So here in this, if it is the case this year also, the average number of question increases, then it can, every topic will be covered. My first pick will be tree, my second pick will be hashing, tree and hashing, my third pick will be stack and queue, and my fourth pick will be linked list. Okay, these are the topic you need to cover. Array is again side role. Array is again in the side role in that case. So array topic is largely, you can say that it's an ignored topic in this. Okay, so that is the idea for this, and here you can see that tree, stack and hashing are preferred, and one more question, linked list. Linked list also you must be prepared from the complexity point of view. Linked list is not something that always codes are there, but complexity of the operation is also asked in terms of linked list. Network is one of the important and one of the most you can say time consuming of your gate preparation is computer. The syllabus, the syllabus is huge in that case. So what is important here? In that case, I'll go here in this case, the first topic is IP addressing. Okay, I'll go here. with IP addressing. Second topic, I'll go with the TCP, okay, the congestion part. And third topic I'll go here in this case is flow control. Okay, flow control. The three topics, my three picks are IP address, and every concept related with routing, then addressing, every concept. Okay, then TCP, every concept, and then flow control, that sliding window protocol. Okay. Next topic you want to prepare, go for the error detection and correction, that framing concept, data link layer, the protocol related with data link layer. Okay. So these are my pick here for the computer network, where these are the topic you can stress on, and you can see that IP, TCP, flow control questions are there. For the real-time update, join the Wallah English official Telegram channel. Okay, these are the these are the QR codes for the different channel. That is for English, Wallah English, and you will be getting update on this related with your YT, or something is happening in YT, some new sessions are being planned, or any other update related with your PSU examination updations. Join the channel, and for branch wise, there is a civil, chemical, CSIT, mechanical, and ECE and IN. Okay, and this is the Wallah official channel. With that, I end my session here. I hope that these are high-weightage topics that you can focus on the last week, will help you in your preparation journey for 2026, and you will be able to perform well in the final examination. So guys, best of luck. Okay, still some time is there, so do not stop working hard, and still the things can be turned around if you just feel good and cover the PYQs and do the revision properly. So on that note, I'll end my session here. See you soon. Okay, and best of luck. Thank you very much.